Getting started on Sky Factory 4 can be very difficult. If you do not do these steps, you might not get a very good start, or might even have to restart your whole save. First of all, what I recommend doing is removing the first top 2 layers of leaves. Unfortunately, we didn't get any acorns or any resin. Next step is to chop down 2 logs, like this. Then make yourself a crafting table and some sticks. This is important for the progression of your gameplay. Then put down the crafting table and make yourself a wooden crook. This is the best way to get saplings at the start, and it has a much more increased chance than your hand does. If I now use this, using these leaves as a floor, as a safety net, I can now navigate around the tree until I get a sapling. And there we go, 2 dirt saplings. We now don't mind chopping down the rest of the wood, as the leaves will only decay slowly. When we do this, we will get resin from the oak, which will also be very handy for later on. Now this is the best first steps, in my opinion, on this mod pack. You mine down to the dirt level, you turn your crafting table into a crafting station, which can be used by placing it down just like normal. Also, if you attach a chest, you will then have storage attached to your crafting table. The next thing to do is then turn all of your oak planks into slabs. This way you can get the best spread on your island. However, this does not prevent mobs from spawning on this mod pack, so you will have to make sure to light up the world. Now we have done this, we can expand out nicely. Hold the tiltify button to the left of the 1 on the keyboard and mine all the leaves at the same time if they're attached. That makes life a lot easier. Next, I recommend placing down the sapling, bouncing up and down by crouching or even running, and then the tree will naturally spawn quicker, like so. This is the best way to start on Sky Factory 4, and this has been a Sky Factory 4 tutorial.